Thursday morning at the Funny Farm. We got Billy, we got Miley, and we got the Muko and Chester. That's what else you need. The end of day 3. All the roof and particulars are done. And we just got ready to jack it all up.